Guys, I am so excited for today's video. Like, I actually cannot even tell you. Best believe I have been so excited for autumn and winter fashion this year. Like, I cannot stop ordering clothes, honestly. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a PLT, Pretty Little Thing, try on clothing haul, which I'm so excited about. Like, I cannot tell you how excited I am for autumn and winter fashion this year. Like, I'm just in it. Like, give me all the big coats, give me all of like the cozy sweaters, the tracksuit bottoms, like the cute jeans, the boots, like everything else. Give it to me now, okay? This video is actually in collaboration with PLT as well, which I'm super excited about. You guys know I love Pretty Little Thing, love everything that they have on the website. Honestly, when I tell you, this is literally probably the biggest PLT haul you're ever gonna see, because so many of the pieces that they've got on there at the minute are just like so gorgeous, right up my street. Like, I'm absolutely in love with them. Basically a mix of loungewear, joggers, some jeans, like cargo pants, and a couple of winter coats, which I'm so excited to wear, like big puffy, like cozy coats. I'm just ready for it. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below. Obviously I've tried everything on as well, but all of the links to all of the pieces in this haul will be in the description bar, so feel free to go down there and check them out if you want to purchase any of these pieces for yourself. PLT also do have a YouTube channel, in case you guys didn't know, so be sure to head over there and subscribe. Again, I will leave that down below. We may as well start with what I'm actually wearing. So this is part of a two-piece, part of like a two-piece sweater and jogger like lounge set. So as you can see, it's like a cream. I'd probably say it's just off-white. Like, it's not white, but it's not like really cream either. It's kind of somewhere in the middle. It's like an off-white color. It's a sweater. It's just got the Pretty Little Thing text in the middle, which I really, really love. It's just like black embroidered. Really, really comfy, really slouchy. I'm pretty sure I got this in fact, I can tell you what I got this in if I can find the tag. I got this in a UK 10, and it's a little bit oversized but still really comfortable, which I absolutely love. And it does have a pair of joggers to go with it. I feel like this colour, especially in winter, just like creamy, like nudie colours, I just love in the autumn winter time. So this is what the joggers look like. Again, they've got the Pretty Little Thing logo embroidered. I got these in a size 8. I kind of wish I got them in a 10 now, just because I always forget with joggers that I do like them to be oversized a little bit, and they fit like true to an 8, so I wish I got a 10, if that makes sense. Next up, guys, I need all of you to get this set. Like, I feel like every single person on this planet needs this set. So this is again a two-piece. It's like a loungewear jogger and top two-piece. It's in like this teddy fabric, which I just want to live in this forever. Honestly, it is just the cutest, softest thing ever. So it basically consists of a pair of wide leg trousers, and they've actually got a pocket on the side as well, which is really cute. It's like a proper functioning pocket, nice and high-waisted and elasticated on the waist, which is perfect. Literally the softest material I've ever felt in my life. Like, I just cannot get over it. And then in terms of the top, so the top is actually a zip up, as you can see there. It looks just like a little polar bear fleece. Like, it's just so cute. It's got a black and grey zip, as you can see, and it is high neck, which I absolutely love. I love the fact as well that you can like zip this all the way down, so you can kind of customize like where you want it to zip up, if that makes sense. Honestly, if you're gonna buy anything from this haul, like 10 out of 10 recommend this. The fit is unreal. It looks gorgeous on. You could wear this at home as like PJs, but you could also throw on a pair of trainers and wear it out for like a little winter day out with like your friends or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whatever. And then the other pair of joggers that I got, I think this is the only other pair of joggers that I got, because I am quite stocked on joggers at the minute. Just this pair of like washed charcoal grey joggers, which I absolutely love. I feel like this colour just goes with everything. Like a charcoal grey goes with black, goes with white, goes with other tones of grey. They've got cuffed bottoms, which I really like. The fit of these joggers are my favourite. Like, I absolutely love them. Love the drawstring. I got these in a 10, so I did actually get these a size up, and they're absolutely perfect. Okay, and then next up, I think I'm going to go through the tops that I picked up, because I got quite a few like long sleeve, like turtleneck, bodysuits, that kind of vibe. So the first one is this like little jumper here, which I've literally been living in the past few days. I just filmed a makeup tutorial in this. I was wearing it all yesterday. I just absolutely love this. So it's a grey cropped sweater. As you can see, it's like a knitted sweater. It's got quite an open neckline, so I feel like obviously you could wear this by itself, which is what I have been doing, but I feel like it'd also pair really nicely with like a pretty like lacy bralette underneath. I just think it's really cute, really versatile, and as I said, will go with like so many different pairs of like pants, skirts, joggers, whatever else. I also picked up this sweater here. As I've said, cream in the winter time is just a little bit of me. So this is just like a cream sweater that is again kind of like high neck, but you can also unzip it, which I really, really love. I actually really like the stitching on this as well. So it's kind of stitched as if what a corset would be. If you can see, you can probably see better in the try on clip. I also really like the fact that it's ribbed. I just think it's a really cute little top, again, to go with like joggers, jeans, whatever else. Okay, and then this, the next two tops are by far my favorite tops. Like, I'm honestly obsessed with them. So the first one is just a little ruched top, which looks like so. This is the softest material, again, like the two-piece from before. This is the softest material ever. It's so comfortable. Long sleeve cropped white top that is ruched in the center. Again, you can kind of wear this off the shoulder, on the shoulder, like whatever you want to do. Kind of had this in mind to also pair with like a pair of joggers and trainers. Honestly, like, I live in joggers. I actually need to stop, but I do just live in joggers, so all of the tops that I get kind of pair really well with them. Love the colour of this. It's very similar to the colour of this, so it's not quite white, but it's not also like a really warm cream colour, which I just... Sometimes cream can be a little bit too yellowy for me, if that makes sense. So I really like the colour of this. It's ribbed, it's really soft, it's stretchy. It's like fleece material, like brushed cotton. That's how I'd explain it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So again, 10 out of 10, recommend this. And then also really love these bodysuits. Again, if you're going to get anything in this haul, absolutely love these. So I got them in grey and white. I only actually tried the grey one on just because it's the exact same but in a different colour. These are the same material as this top, which is like this brushed cotton material. I think they're actually described on the website as being brushed cotton as well. They're just so soft, so lovely on. Really like the fact that they've got this little turtleneck, because I love like a good high neck, like roll neck, turtleneck, that kind of vibe top and bodysuit in winter time, especially if you've got like a coat on. These are bodysuits, and anyone that has been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you will know I often struggle with bodysuits because I am quite tall and I have quite a long torso, but these are absolutely perfect. They're not even in the tall section and they're still perfect. It's probably because they are quite stretchy in terms of the fabric, but I just love these and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. So as I said, I tried the grey one on, which looks like so. And then I also got something a bit different, this little like tie-dye top. So it's kind of like a vest style. It's got quite a high neck. I just thought this would be really cute with a pair of jeans and like trainers, pair of like Jordans maybe, or like even heels for the evening time if you want to dress it up a little bit. Obviously as well, you could wear this with joggers. It'd probably go really well with the grey joggers that I had picked out before, but just something a little bit different. I just really like the fit of it, and I like the fact that it's not ribbed, but it's got bits of like stitching going down. I just thought it was really cute, and I really like the colour combinations on this. Okay, next up, I picked up a shirt dress. So I actually have a shirt very similar to this, but it literally is a shirt and not a shirt dress, and I always want to wear that shirt as a dress because I feel like it would look really cute, but it's not quite long enough. So saw this on the website, absolutely fell in love with it for the purpose, or for the reason that it is the shirt that I have but in a dress. So it's got these little tortoise buttons. It's not super long, but it's also not too short. And it has got a belt that wraps around as well. It's kind of hard to show, but you'll see it better in the try on clip. But really love this to go with like some black boots or something, like over knee boots, like knee high boots, some little heels if you want to wear it in the evening, trainers. Like, I feel like it would go with anything. So really love that. It's very like thick and heavy as well, so I definitely feel like it will keep you really warm. Okay, I feel like I keep saying this for everything, but again, these two things, these next two pieces are one of my favorite or two of my favorite things in this haul. Like, honestly, cannot recommend them enough. So the first is a pair of wide leg cargo pants. So I feel like I just wanted a new pair of cargo pants for winter. I love a pair of black cargo pants. They go with everything. You can dress them up with heels, or you can wear them in the day with trainers. And I've never actually had a pair of wide leg cargo pants. So These are just like an elasticated waist, which I actually really like because some of the cargo pants that I have are really quite tight on the waist, whereas this definitely has a bit more give. Wish these were a tiny bit longer, so I probably can't wear them with heels, but I feel like with a pair of trainers, which is what I would probably wear them with anyway, they'd be absolutely perfect. The thing that I think as well is like they'd be quite versatile, because if you wanted them to not be wide leg, you could wear these with like a pair of boots and then just tuck in the bottom of the trousers, and then they look more of like a tapered cargo pant as well. So just felt like they'd be a really versatile pair of pants to have. I got these in an 8 and the fit of them is like gorgeous, high-waisted, unreal, absolutely love them. And then I got my third pair of Prt Boyfriend Jeans. I think they're called Boyfriend Jeans on the website. Literally, I saw Rachel last night, like we went out for dinner with Jack and we both had a pair of Prt Boyfriend Jeans on, and as soon as I got in the lift to see her, she was like, "You're wearing the jeans that I'm wearing," and I was like, yes, because they are the best jeans in the world. Like, I don't know what it is about jeans, very much struggle to like find a pair of jeans that like fit my bum and are like wide enough to go over my hips, but then still are small enough and tight enough on the waist. I could just never get a pair of like Topshop jeans, for example. Like, the fit of them just never worked in my favor. I don't know what Prt do with these jeans, but they are honestly the best jeans on the planet. I've recommended them to like my nail tech, Phoebe. Like, honestly, I just absolutely live in them. So I have a pair that are like a washed black, similar to the dress that I just showed you, and I have a pair that are like a blue denim, but I really love these. I think they're actually pictured on Molly May on the website, and she just looks absolutely unreal in them. So I was like, do you know what? I need a pair of these as well, because I don't actually have any that have rips in either. So these are just like an extremely washed like jean color, so they're literally like bleached to the point where they're borderline white, but you can still kind of see that they've got like a little bit of a blue tint to them. The fit is just perfect. Like, I get them in an 8 every single time. Fit me like an absolute glove. They're just like perfect. Tight on the waist, perfectly baggy on the legs, so they're still comfortable. I've just ordered a pair of Jordans from Instakicks on Instagram that I feel like will go really nicely with these. So excited to pair those, just with like a little white top and a blazer or like a jacket or whatever else. Okay, and then all we've got left is coats. So the first coat I'm going to talk about is this coat right here. Do you know what? It's going to be like impossible to show, so I'm just going to put the try on clips in. But this is a grey like puffer coat. So this is in the shade light grey, because they have this coat in a light grey and a grey. So this is the lighter grey and I got it in a medium. It's a super like long line puffer coat, really like oversized. Obviously I got it a size up from what I usually am anyway, but it's really like slouchy, really oversized, just looks really like cool on, is the only way I can describe it. I feel like with a pair of joggers, like a two-piece, even like this for example with the white joggers or the cream joggers even, in a pair of white trainers, like that's kind of the vibe that I have in mind for this. Okay, and then next up we've got more of like an aviator, was that what you call it? I think it is like an aviator style jacket. So it's fur lined, it is faux fur. This coat is a little bit more expensive. I think I want to say it's like £70 or £80, but honestly the quality of this is gorgeous. Yeah, it's just so cute on. It's very oversized. What size did I get this in? I got this in a 10 and it is quite big, but it's not like big in the sense that it looks ridiculous on, if that makes sense. Kind of have this in mind for like little like jumper dresses, again like leggings and like a little crop top, and this like over the top I feel like would look really cute. It's quite oversized, so I probably wouldn't wear it with like jeans or anything, but like jumper dresses and like high knee boots or leggings, I think this would look absolutely like gorgeous. Joggers as well. And then the last coat, guys, someone needs to stop me. Like, how many clothes have I picked up for this haul? It's actually a joke, but it's fine because now my winter wardrobe is like sorted. But this coat is probably, sorry, there's a hair on it. It's probably my favorite one. This is basically a teddy coat, which anyone that knows me, I have to have like a Borg like teddy coat style coat for winter time. Is basically what I live in. The thing that I really liked about this one is it actually has a hood, which none of my other ones do. And I have one that is this like kind of cream colour from, I think I got it like 2 or 3 years ago. So obviously with it being this colour, it did get pretty ruined. So I do still have it and I do still wear it, but I was like, do you know what? I want like a newer one as well, just for when I want it to look like nice and crisp and clean. So I really, really love this. It's got little tortoise buttons on, super long line, super oversized. I got mine in a size 10 and it is actually, like, I feel like I'm a teddy bear once I've got it on. Do you know what I mean? It's just so big and cozy. So I tend to wear these with joggers, hoodies, like my grey two-piece set from PLT that's like the joggers and sweater, I would wear this with, and some trainers. But yeah, you can't even see, but I'm literally just like on a pile of clothes now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you liked what I picked up. Please let me know in the comments what your favourite piece is, because I of course would love to know. And yeah, a big thank you to PLT for working with me on this video. As I said, everything will be linked down below. Be sure to check the website out and their YouTube channel as well. And yeah, I'm gonna get go. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.